Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classrita.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is replace all in instances of the words spa pole in these worksheets with polls. Do not replace them one at the time. So close the dialogues when you are finished front size. The correct answer of the question is on home tab in the editing groups. Click the find select buttons and then clicks replace types of upload in the find what box. The folds in the replace with box. Click the replace all buttons. Click ok. Click the close button. So that's the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classita.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.